A security researcher who goes by GreenTheOnly bought a wrecked Tesla computer off eBay for about $200 and pulled someone's full driving history, saved home address, and paired phone contacts straight off the drive. Tesla actually built a factory reset button to solve exactly this problem, sitting right in the car's settings menu. It just doesn't do what almost every owner assumes it does. When CNBC investigated this in March 2019, GreenTheOnly had already pulled data off a salvaged Model S, a Model X, and two Model 3 computers bought second-hand, all still holding crash video, GPS logs, and calendar entries from their previous owners. Tesla routes some trade-ins through an auction company called Mannheim, and a former Mannheim employee confirmed staff never ran a factory reset before reselling those cars to the next buyer. We post 3 of these every day, so subscribe if you want tomorrow's before something like this happens to someone you know. Here's the part that should actually worry you. Even when an owner does tap that factory reset button, it doesn't securely erase anything at all. The software just marks the old data storage block as available to be overwritten later, but it never actually touches the data itself. So basic forensic tools can pull it right back off the drive within minutes of plugging in. That means every deleted address, every saved contact, every clip of your garage door or your kid climbing out of the back seat can still be sitting there, fully recoverable on a part that gets pulled and resold the moment a Tesla is wrecked, scrapped, or traded in for a new one. As eBay listings for these salvaged computers dropped from over $500 down to under $150, more of them landed in random strangers' hands instead of a junkyard crusher where nobody could reach them. Tesla has patched pieces of this since 2019, but researchers say the underlying flaw, a reset that only hides data instead of actually destroying it, has since turned up on other computer-heavy cars too, not just Teslas. Hit the bell on this channel so tomorrow's one lands in your feed the second it drops, because this problem is bigger than one car brand and almost nobody outside the security research world has ever heard about it. So that factory reset button on your Tesla's touchscreen isn't really a wipe, it's a hide. And right now, the only real fix is overwriting the drive yourself before the car ever leaves your driveway for good. Comment below if you've ever bought a used Tesla and wondered exactly what was still sitting on its computer. Comment below, did you know this?